One of the main reasons for running LLM locally on your computer is privacy. Unlike other generative AI tools, open source LLM are designed to run offline, ensuring your data remains private and local to your machine. In this video, I will show you the best way to run open source LLM locally on Linux using Ollama and LMStudio. Ollama and LMStudio are excellent tools that allow you to run various models such as Llama 3, Gemma, Mistral, codellama, and much more. Before running LLM using Ollama or LMStudio on Linux, if you have NVIDIA or AMD GPU, make sure you have installed the appropriate graphic drivers. My computer has an NVIDIA discrete GPU and I have installed the proprietary graphic card drivers. You can verify the NVIDIA driver information by typing this command, which details the version and more. Also, use this command to check the installed graphics driver version. Now, this way, Ollama and LMStudio can use GPU acceleration to speed up the tokenization. Now, let's start by installing Ollama. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Ollama website, then click on the download button. Ollama is compatible with Windows 11, Linux, and macOS. For now, I'm going to select the Linux and copy the command. Ensure the curl command is installed on your Linux machine. Then paste the copied command into the terminal and press enter to start the installation. It may take some time, so please be patient. Once it's done, you can see that in my case, it has detected the NVIDIA GPU and may use it for generating output. You can type Ollama --version to see the installed version and use this command to learn the usage of Ollama. Now let's start running LLM. Head over to this models page where you will find various options including Gemma, Llama 3, codellama, and more. For now, let's try Llama 3. Select a model size based on your system's RAM. For instance, if you have 8 gigs of RAM, choose the 8 billion model. If you have more RAM and a powerful computer, you can choose a larger model. Now simply copy the command for your chosen model and paste it into the command prompt or terminal. Once completed, you will notice a change in the prompt. Now as you can see, I have two terminal windows open. On the top, I'm using a tool named NVTop to monitor the GPU usage in real time while working with LLM, and at the bottom, I'm running Llama 3. Now let's interact with Llama 3. Now let's pass a prompt to the model to generate a source code in Java to check if a number is a palindrome. Now just look at the speed of the output thanks to the NVIDIA GPU for faster text generation. You can notice that it also explains the generated code. You can anytime interrupt the model by pressing Ctrl+C. Now let's pass another prompt to write a 500-word action story and see its storytelling capability. To exit the model, you can simply press Ctrl+D. Let's test another model named Gemma by Google. You can use either 2 billion or 7 billion model. Simply copy the command and paste it into the terminal to install it. Let's ask Gemma to write a C program to find a Fibonacci series up to n. Now compared to Llama 3, Gemma seems to generate more efficient code. Let's ask Gemma to write a simple 500-word story. And that's it. It works perfect. You can interrupt the text generation by pressing Ctrl+C, which returns you to the prompt, and press Ctrl+D to exit the model. Now let's customize the model. Create a new file named model file without any extension, and paste these lines. Now, this file serves as a blueprint for the model's behavior. I'm using the Llama 3 model and configuring it according to my preferences. Now set the temperature to 1 for enhanced creativity and define the system message to act as Lisa. Then save the changes. Navigate to the model file using the terminal and create a new model named Lisa using the blueprint. To do this, type llama create lisa-f followed by the model file. And that's it. If you type llama list, you will see the new model named Lisa. Now let's run the Lisa model and see how it responds. Let's ask the name of the model and you can see it responds as Lisa. Since Ollama is a CLI-based tool to run LLM on Linux, it doesn't officially support GUI like ChatGPT or Gemini. For that, we will use another tool named LMStudio. To install LMStudio, head over to this website. LMStudio is available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Choose the appropriate one for your operating system. In my case, I will download the Linux app image. Once it's done, right-click on the app image file, choose Properties, select Permissions, and enable this option to make it executable. Then double-click on the file to execute it. Now you can see the front-end UI of LMStudio to run LLM. The app user interface is pretty easy to navigate. This is the home screen of LMStudio, where you can scroll through to see the latest AI models. Here you can find Mistral, Gemma, Llama 3, and many more. Explore this page to learn more about each model and download them. Now let's go ahead and download Llama 3 by clicking the download button. Once it's done, click on this chat icon. From the top, you can click on this option to see the installed models on your computer. I'm going to select Llama 3. On the right side, you can adjust the model parameters. You can provide a system prompt and make this model act like your personal AI assistant. For example, I will tell it to respond as Lisa. Then make sure to enable the option to use GPU acceleration. Then provide a GPU layer. In my case, I can choose between 10 to 20. I will type 15. This allows more layers of the model to be processed in parallel on the GPU, potentially improves the overall performance. For the context overflow policy, I will choose the appropriate option and leave other options as default. And that's it. Now click on Reload Model to apply the configuration. Now let's type "Who are you?" and see what it says. Now let me ask Llama 3 to create an alert box using Swift UI and see if it could generate the code. As you can see, it does generate the code just like ChatGPT. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can run open source LLM locally on Linux using Ollama and LMStudio. If you have any ideas or queries regarding the AI content, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.